How to make keto coconut pecan chia bars. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 4 tablespoons chia seeds, ½ cup water, 1 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon powdered stevia/erythritol blend, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ cup pecans. The preparation: 1. Gather and prep all ingredients. Preheat oven to 350 F. 2. In a bowl combine the chia seeds and water and let it sit until it becomes thick, about 15 minutes. 3. In another bowl, mix together the soaked chia seeds, unsweetened shredded coconut, coconut oil, powdered stevia/erythritol blend, and vanilla extract. Stir until combined well. 4. Gently stir in the pecans. 5. Line a baking pan with parchment paper. 6. Pour the mixture into the parchment-lined baking pan, and spread evenly. It should be about 3/4 of an inch thick. 7. Put in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until the edges become golden brown. 8. Let cool in the pan before slicing and serving. The serving. This makes a total of 6 servings of keto coconut pecan chia bars. Each serving comes out to be 213 calories, 20.1 grams fat, 2.1 grams net carbs, and 3.1 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.